This is Dr. Hein. Welcome to the Math Bunker. Today we're going to use multi-step equations to solve problems. And in the first equation we have negative 5 times 5r minus 1 minus 3r equals negative 191. So let's set that problem up. So I have negative 5 times 5. We're going to multiply first. Negative 5 times 5. I'll make that red. Should be negative 25r. Because a negative times a positive is a negative. 5 times 5 is 25. And I'll simply drop the r down. Okay. Then I'll multiply negative 5 times negative 1. Negative 5 times negative 1, a negative times a negative, like signs in multiplication will give me a positive answer, and that will give me positive 1. Now notice my parentheses is now going to disappear because I've used them. I'm going to drop down the negative 3r, minus 3r, and I'm going to make that equal to negative 129. So let's make that equal to negative 191. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. Okay. Right now my like terms are the r's. So I have a negative 25. Let's put this up again. I have negative 25r and I have negative 3r. I'm going to combine those, add them. 25 and 3 is 28. Take the sign of the absolute value of a larger number, which would be 25. I'll take its sign, and that should give me negative 28r. I'll drop down the positive 5, because I haven't used it yet. I'll make that equal to negative 191. Okay, now simple multi-step equation. I'm going to move the number over first by doing the opposite operation. It's a positive 5, so I'm going to subtract 5, and then I'll subtract 5 on the other side. It'll cancel out on the left side of the equals sign, and that'll leave me with negative 196. Okay, now I'm left with negative 28r. This is a multiplication problem. Negative 28r means negative 28 times a number equals negative 196. So I'm going to simply do the opposite operation again. I'm going to divide, instead of multiply, I'm going to divide negative 28 by negative 28, and my answer will be 1 or 1r. Okay. Then I'll divide negative 196 by negative 28, and my answer will be 7. See? So divide both sides by negative 28. And the reason it's positive, again, I have a negative divided by a negative, it's a positive, and 196 divided by 28 is 7. So therefore, your answer is 7. Thank you for joining me for the Math Bunker.